Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Mi 11i and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings and now let's tap on About Phone. As you can see, we've got the option Backup and Restore, so let's enter. And here we have to scroll down. Here we've got whole Google Backup section and the backup option is turned on, and if it will be turned off, then you won't be able to tap on Backup account. So if it will be turned off just like that, all you have to do is simply tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn on the backups. And as you can see, the backup account option is active. So let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is obviously required. So from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Let's tap on Next. And here we will have to enter the password. So let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it. Just tap on the one you would like to check, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here you've got the shortcut of backup and storage info. Let's tap on accept because all of those options, all of those things will be listed, as you can see. So here your device is telling you that the backup includes apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, photos and videos, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see here, we've got our newly added backup account to this device. So it means that from now on, all the content will be stored on the Google Drive. What's more, here we've got the option Automatic Restore, which is right now turned on. You can turn it off if you want to. And it means that when you will reinstall an app, then your device will restore backed up settings and data. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable Google Backup in your Xiaomi Mi 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.